According to the World Health Organization, hepatitis A is a liver disease caused by the hepatitis A virus. Currently, no specific cure has been designed, but it often gets manageable and better on its own within a couple of months. Regardless of its ability to contain itself, it is essential to get tested and treated, because when hepatitis A is left untreated, it could lead to a more complicated health issue that is liver failure. Hepatitis A is a highly communicable disease. It can be contracted when an unvaccinated person comes in contact with the feces of an infected person. Also, when an infected person neglects to wash his or her hands thoroughly after defecating, and the person touches or prepares food for unvaccinated persons, there is a likelihood such people can become infected. Drinking contaminated water or beverages with contaminated ice, eating food contaminated by the hepatitis virus, poor personal hygiene, and inadequate sanitation can make anyone vulnerable to this disease. When a person is infected, the virus can take between 14 to 28 days for incubation. That's when you'll start noticing symptoms like bellyache, jaundice, nausea and vomiting, weakness, loss of appetite, clay-colored stool, dark-colored urine, fever, to mention a few. How do you know you are infected with the hepatitis A virus? To be sure, you need to undergo a blood test called IgM class antibody to hepatitis A virus. You could also do another test called total hepatitis A antibody, also known as anti-HIV. If you suspect you've been infected, talk to your doctor and get these tests done. Please ensure to avoid unnecessary consumption of drugs and stick to the ones prescribed by your doctor. While there may be no specific cure for hepatitis A, the good news is that you can prevent it by getting vaccinated, ensuring good sanitation and personal hygiene, wash your hands regularly, especially after using the bathroom, and encourage everyone around you to do same. Also, proper disposal of waste/sewage, consumption of clean water and food are ways to prevent hepatitis A.